belt on the pulley to drive the bale maker, not a baler. It just compresses hay down in the bale. It's not like a baler like we have today. You get the tractor in just the right tension on the belt and lock her down. Locking the brakes on now. Notice the belt's not got a if they need to reverse the direction, they turn the belt over so it has a figure 8 shape to it. This one must be running in the proper direction, they don't have to reverse it. And they're starting it up. Probably tighten it a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it could be tightened just a hair. But it's got the baler working. This baler works is these will stand up on this platform and they'll put straw down in that cavity right there, but that arm comes down and compresses it. Turned it off now, but the hay goes down inside of there, and there's a ram. That green plate is a ram. It pushes the bale out down to this chute. They put these individual boards in between each bale at the front and the back, and that way they can run wire down through these cracks. Tie the bale up, then they bind it with wire, and then it continues to push it out the back. This shaft here gets smaller, gets narrower as it goes down. It helps compress and pack the bale tighter, and then it'll roll out the back and they load it on the hay wagon over there. Very labor intensive. It takes about at least 4 people to run this, compared to our new balers that are living by themselves. This was great technology at the time. Much better than making stacks of, just stacking hay. All this stuff will be running later on tonight, or this afternoon. We'll come back and get some video of it actually working. This is just a pan of all the antique tractors that people have lovingly restored. Well, some of them are lovingly restored, some of them are in, look like working condition, farming condition. I believe that's a Jubilee, a Ford Jubilee there, 630. We'll go around and look at some other things they have here at the fair. They have a lot of really neat stuff. Ready to start it up. Raising the clutch. Press the belt. Starts the machine.